Uh, the next tab is parting. It means it take two parts from the hair and create a specific division between the hair. For example, if you go to the simulation and uh, tools and brush, if I brush this hair in this direction, for example, and this hair in this direction, I want to create a part from this, for example, in my head. Okay, and for seeing that, you have to render. I activate the interactive render, but you can see the parting in the hair, it's not clear and you cannot see exactly, for example, a skin of your hair. Okay, your head. For using a parting, first you have to define which part of your hair model do you want to take in a different direction. Based on this, based on the angle, go to the parting. Based on the distance between the guides and the angle between them, it recognizes this and take apart the hair. This is called auto parting. Okay, for seeing that, you have to render. You can see the parting in the render. If you activate auto parting, nothing will happen. You have to play with distance and the angle. This distance this is the maximum distance between the two guides. If you give a lower number to parting, you can see it define the parting. The guides distance below this number, they will be take two part. You can increase or decrease the number to better defining that. Nice. Interesting. So play with this. Or you can play with the angle. The angle below this, that's how the guides from each other, the parting will be happen. If you don't want to use this, if you don't want to use this, and if you don't want to creating something like that, you have to select two groups to defining that. Okay, before using the parting, you have to brush your hair because the software does not tell you automatically, or we can test it in the group. Okay, I go to hair, and again add a hair, and let's test. I want to automatically or with a group from this part. First, you have to go to hair selection and use rectangle selection and select these, and then set selection. This is my set selection number 1, and make sure that you're deselect the selection. Which part was that? Yeah, from this. Make sure that you're deselecting, and again click and drag and select this part and set selection. 2 selection we have. Based on these 2 selection, you can go to the hair and drag and drop. Oops. Drag and drop both of them. And let's see. Now you can see nothing happened. And let's turn it auto. Nothing. Okay. As I said before, you have to first define and move the hair with these 2 parts using brush. Okay. And then tell the software to change the, just it takes a part to that. You can go to the brush and okay, tell the software, okay, I want to brush this part. Nice. And add a definable edge to this part. You have to make brush smaller and change them. Okay, if you now go, you can see the parting nicely because of tool selection. For example, if you delete and delete, now you cannot see that this part. First, as I said before, you have to define which part do you want to parting and separate them with a brush, and then use the auto painting or use the group. Drag and drop it here, and now you can see this parting defined well, but you have to brush them better to define parting this part. Now you can see parting better. Okay, that's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.